So guys, I am in Jamaica. So I am here for a funeral, so it's kind of like bittersweet. It's not going to be a typical vlog, but it's more like family time, and you get to see the real part of Jamaica, not the touristy area. But I bought some books, so I decided I'm going to read Jacqueline Woodson's Red of the Bone and Akila Hughes, obviously. And I bought my manuscripts, so I'm gonna utilize this time since it won't be no partying going on, none of that. It's more of a family time, so I figured I will have time to read those, and I will give you bits and pieces of real, Jamaica life. So yeah, so hopefully I'm gonna probably break the vlog up because I don't want it to be too long, because I'm here for like a week. But yeah, I'm excited and kind of feel bittersweet, because I wish this was like a fun vacation, but it's not, so we'll see. So yeah, next one.
Courtesy of Cheesy's. You know what I mean? That's what's up inside the Cheesy's. Oh, so make sure you check out Cheesy's, you know what I mean? Buy a couple. Everything got back to school, so you have to load up on Cheesy's for the youth. Fight alone?
I know. I'm out for making money. Guys, ask me why I got black on. I am hot.
All the way to the airport and go back.
Why you got me in the bushes?
All the way to the airport and come back for that. I came in to come right up with some more time.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, how you're trying to get a rental. Because you gotta move around.
I know it's alone and they live off, alright?
What's up? You're going to say that hear me. I concentrate. So we are in business, guys. We got a rental. Let's hope my cousin don't give me a heart attack because I'm in the front seat. And these Jamaican streets is something else. So yeah, guys.
The rest of the chick have baby and came back. Yeah. Are you serious? No, me didn't share price came back since she had baby and win race.
Alright, good morning. So guys, yeah, the keto is about to go on a break because I'm at Juicy Party and you can't come to Jamaica and get no Juicy Party. So I'm in here with my family and we're going to eat, and it's early in the morning, guys. It's probably like 7 something, and look at the parking lot in here is packed and people in here about to eat some party for breakfast, I guess, like we are. But yeah. So guys, I'm about to dig in with my patty. That was from mother over there with her peanut porridge that she's so excited about. All right, see? Now you know, guys. So guys, we are back on the road. Everybody belly full? Right, Mom? Everybody belly full?
No.
So, back on the road, guys. Back on our country.
Sorry, say me think the tree no.
Not all one will be a problem.
Alien. Uncle sorry, say me think the tree no fit.
What think tree?
Group.
Oh yeah, me see your video of it.
You see? Okay. Most of the fruit tree you see down there, me plant them,
Good.
Oh,
And if you don't mind, you know, some of those
in
homes,
Manchester.
the people that don't live there, you know. Maybe have people them live abroad.
Okay.
All them kind of weird too.
You know, say, this kind of community, me here is St. Elizabeth, man, I get the name of it, you know. They used to walk around St. Elizabeth and sell tobacco. And when them tired, them sit down and say, poor us. So me here, they used to walk around there and sell tobacco.
Got them house up on the hills a bit again. To your right.
I see them.
I don't know how them get up there. I'm always trying to figure that out. How on earth they get up there? So all the material get up there. Jesus! I'm looking at these here, but look at these all the way further up. Look up there, so look at that big one up there, so.
Let me tell you
Look
something.
at that big one up there, so how on earth they get material truck for carry stuff up in the building? Jesus! I'm looking at these lower down, but then I look and see some further way up.
Man, can't
Oh, look at that one sitting all the way up top, way up there, so almost touching the sky. That one all the way up there, so. Like they still need to be paying.
you call them and give the word.
Jesus, look there, sir. Look up there, sir. How on earth? Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Me now go there, so you know. Look what I want to catch out for the hill or something, man. Me now go there, so for nothing. You walk and carry. I was in the road, but my God, come on. That's some road for truck go up for carry material. Maybe there. No, them couldn't give me a house. I said, no, give me, no want it. I'm going to spend a night in there, so. Well, he want to go. He only want to go up on the trail, and they want to go out of here.
When we go,
What is that building over there? Is a block? A school or something? Church?
My dear, I don't know.
Is over there again? Up there? Right there.
I don't
Look
know.
at it.
Nothing about this here. All I know. This one can you go Spalling. When you turn right here, you go Spalling.
We in Christiana.
When you reach the bakery, you turn right here, you probably turn to the Spalling yard. You go Patmore.
Go straight inside, go up.
Yeah. That's what I that's what I was telling her, Sister Jean. That's the only turn off you have. Only turn off. So you keep, all you have to is keep left. We going to turn off right. That's why the road, they make the road.
Choose a funeral home. I thought they were in the town. And down a Christiana there.
At 9 o'clock it said?
9?
We're a little bit, it's not 9.
Not 9 yet.
It's like a few minutes.
Alright. You know where I think of time? At 9 o'clock. What time is it?
Well, it's 9 now. 9:04.
Alright, it's good. It's good time. See the difference in country? Nice and cool.
Yep. So we are in the country at a funeral home, guys.
Goodbye to you, meditate.
So
That's what you want.
beautiful scene. Fortunately,
That's the scenery.
not the location I want to be at. But you can see behind me, guys. It is gorgeous. I'm in the country. And it's cool. It's not hot like Kingston at all. Really nice. I know. Look at it, guys. Look how beautiful.
All those yams. All of those is yams.
Where, Uncle? Where you see the field over there? That's yam over there that they plant. So there's a lot of banana trees down there as well. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
With all them stuff there in it. Nice 4-wheel. And it big, you know, whole lot of stuff. She can just put all them stuff right in there. She not be having nothing on her head and just push her cart. She could do well in one of those carts. I'm sure they send them here.
Yeah, for much. I'm gonna leg.
Not too much.
So guys, I so wish I can take these plants home. Like, oh, look at this, guys. Oh. I don't even know what these are, but guys, look at the snail right there. Yeah, I'm obsessed right now. That's a big snail. Yeah. So guys, just saw the body, and he just looks so peaceful. Like, he looked like he's sleeping. Like, normally I don't like seeing dead body, just would creep me out, but I didn't feel sad or cry. It just felt like he was at peace, and I think that's the way to go when your family have a sense of peace when you're gone, and not this sadness. I didn't feel sad. I just felt like he was sleeping. Like, okay, there goes my uncle. He's sleeping, and I had my mom come look because she at first didn't want to look, and you could see her reaction was the same. She didn't have this sadness I thought she was gonna have. She looked at him and she said the same thing. Oh, he looks so peaceful, like he's sleeping. So yeah, we're handling it better. I don't know about tomorrow or the actual funeral. Might be a different story, but we're handling it in a positive way. So yeah, but I am just enjoying being in the country and this breeze, and it feels so good out here. And to see all the locals walking, and some had no shoes on, and I remember back in the days I wouldn't be walking around here with no shoes, but I wouldn't do that now. I feel some kind of way, but this is more natural. There's not a lot of pollution in this part of the island, so you know, you're not going to have to worry about anything going on your foot, so you get away with being one with nature. But yeah, but look at this dog, guys. Look at this dog. I mean, it's a whole lot of that going on here. They just walk about, mind their business. The only thing is, they get roadkill. So I've seen quite a few dead ones on the road because they just walk in the road. I feel so bad because I love dogs. But yeah, they're in the natural habitat, so I guess it is what it is. Yeah. This is my blog camera, but a big camera, yeah, I will be able to get him.
You can see him?
No. So guys, I don't know. The guy is on a donkey over here, and I couldn't get to see him because I don't feel like bringing out my bigger camera, but he's on a donkey. It's so cute.
The donkey's in front and he walks.
Wait, he's not on the donkey.
No. See, you know, you can see.
Yeah, he's walking the donkey. Okay, so he's on a yam.
Walking behind.
That's a yam field, right?
Yes, right.
So he's on a yam field. So guys, you know, I need to add some Jamaican yellow yam. It's so good. So good. So good. So yeah, I'm enjoying this. Enjoying every bit of this.
Begin the field.
Oh yeah, there's, I don't know if you should be able to, you guys should be able to see that. So there's a man down there actually digging the field. I just love farmers. I love farmers. I love that our island people still farm. And guys, look at another dog. He just like
so cute.
Walk in front of me like it's nothing. You know, they're just not trying to harm you. They just mind their business, these dogs. Right. Which is so cute. But versus if I was, you know, anywhere else, I probably would have freaked out when I see wild dogs, because I love dogs, but if I don't know if they're being in a controlled environment, I'm kind of like, But, yeah. And this one over here, sunbathing? No, there's no sun on him, but he's chilling. He's sleeping. Yeah, that's what we got going on in the country, guys.
Uncle used to live now.
Where is that?
Who is living with it?
Uncle Amos.
Oh.
My mother, brother. Come on a drive. Come on a dance. I said, jam planting seeds. I'm a planting. I dance like crazy. I plant and I dance. I smell the money from the planting. I smell the money that come from the planting.
So. Yeah, that's shit, man. Serious?
And they have the nerve to have a partition.
Yeah.
As tiny as this road is. Look at this road and they put a partition. They're trying to tell y'all something. Yeah, guys, this is the kind of road that would give you a heart attack. That means this part of the road may have been really bad.
I remember what the last time we come down here, finding a nice piece like this. Where you do this? You been here from 2015 when you came with us?
Yes.
Because when you came in 2017, Mike did carry me. Mike did carry me up with a black in the night. You see nothing.
You got him?
Let me get to
Really picture, aren't it?
No, video on video. Look here.
Yam, all those are yams. But talk in the video, you know. Let them know that it's yam.
Yam over there, sir.
Yeah, let them know that it's...
Oh, Lord.
Let them know
Guys, and this is a two-way road. Two-way road, you know, two-way. These people trying to have me have a heart attack in the car.
The school that you're approaching now is Veronica Campbell School.
I think that road to get a Montego Bay.
Yeah? That's where Veronica Campbell go to school.
You hear that?
Try all age.
Olympic star. This is the school she went to. Veronica Campbell.
Campbell Brown.
That's try all age.
Yes. Alright. Hello, hello.
When she come here, sir, turn right over this little bridge. That's what I told. I tell her, so when you reach here, say don't go right, you go left over there. You go right, don't go left. You go left, you go St. Elizabeth. Go right, you go straight up the hill.
You go through St. Elizabeth and then where?
You go through one place, you know, Balaclava. First, you go a lot of little district. The pass where Brother Davis will come from. Balaclava.
Where Davis come from? Where Davis come already? Meet him, mama and all that. Meet him, mom, my daughter when she was a child.
Lord. At least I know we're almost there. Because this is when it gets worse.
You know where you are.
I know where I'm at.
It's very good right here. This is beautiful.
No, me there.
This is beautiful till you get past Mikey's shop. It's beautiful. Then when you turn up to the highway.
What's your truck outside? I've never been up there. I said my heart is beating. Me don't like the cedar. Okay? If you like it, good for you. Me don't like the cedar. Because this is very narrow right here. Oh, my ports for the camera.
You know, sir, now right, when you come down, how you come down?
A bit down here, but come down to... We walk over the stone from me.
What up to Miss Mikey carry? I'm put him. Ready? So I put the vehicle in.
And they are Christian.
Okay.
Play Bible trivia Mondays and Tuesdays
It's a two-way street. You know talk. She have video but she not speaking. It's a two-way street here. Two-way highway.
One way out, one way in.
It's a cul-de-sac. Two-way cul-de-sac. Ridiculous. I got me that do.
If you ever feel my pulse right now, and my heart rate.
I'm safe. I ain't never come home.
This is a road, guys. This is a road. There people drive.
A two-way.
A two-way too, guys.
When Curtis said, but my mama said to Curtis said, if it turn up, Curtis said,
And
turn up.
this is the only way to get up in here.
Curtis said, my mother said to him,
Why is my family up in here?
Give him a try, you know. And when she finished, right up there, I said it was good for him. But then when she said, if it turn up here, Curtis said, turn where?
We're in an SUV, guys, and we are like creeping. You cannot drive normal through here.
You can't be a normal driver and drive this. As experienced a driver as I am, I don't want this job.
We almost there though.
God bless you.
My cousin.
So then, every time
Yo, my cousin is the G. he's like, we gonna make it. We gonna make it.
Every time he come up here, it's
Guys.
worse than the last time.
I know, cause I don't even. This just look worse. Oh my God.
Every time I come
We made it,
it's
guys.
worse than the last time.
All right, we make it.
Quick edge.
Yes. This
This is not no car terrain.
this is
This kind of vehicle.
heart attackville. But we're here. All right.
This is the banana, this is the property there. The lots of fruit. This is grapefruit. This is grapefruit tree.
Oh, they're not all the way in yet.
This one planted. Look through how we have grapefruit on the ground.
And oh, we didn't pick any. They just get ripened. That's it.
I know. I those might drop before time. Well, all these three now, this plant put by me and Vin, the grapefruit, the
Yeah, got some big snail. They're all over.
Another grapefruit there. All these trees.
Is that coconut tree? Yeah, it is.
Coconut.
Okay.
This is the tree that I sent all around.
Ooh, what is this? Why this looks?
Blue plum.
I was to say it looks familiar, and it's not ready. See, I never get to taste stuff that I normally don't get to have.
Some people they pick that. I mean,
No, I want it when it's good to go. There's a lot. You have a lot of grapefruit tree around here. There's another one right here, right?
mm-hmm. Beer, man, beer. So the beer to the touch ground, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Catch up.
Guys, look at them chicken over there. I know the chickens.
Oh,
They like, they just walk around here like they own the place. Where's the yam that you said?
no,
Okay.
the yam?
Yeah.
No, the yam was up there, but they don't plant back. Michael used to plant yam up there. All those stickers is. There was a side of the road, there was a far go for your uncle, your cousin. Yes, sir.
Oh, Vin. Remember, most, but we never used to go up there. He used to come to us.
Yes.
Cause that's a hike.
Yeah.
But I don't remember the roads being this bad. I feel like it just got worse.
Yeah.
I'm there. Yeah, family time. Him coming to my shed? Hey!
Oh.
What cause him to, yeah. Mm-hmm. Right. I'm in sugarcane heaven, guys. Check it out. I had this bag. This bag was full. Yeah. I know, right? Mm.
Charlie's skin. You let me plant them.
How long you plant them?
Long time. You used to come here, come from the bag, you know.
Really?
Full of van. Thank you, Bossel.
I know they look so good.
One worse.
I rub it in the ground.
I saw one of
Come on, that's
Just
terrible.
pull it down and try your dirt and
Oh,
take
that's
it.
terrible.
A woman, you are come town and take up
That's
the and
bad,
throw it
though.
back in.
I know somebody who pull the pins.
I
And
see
they all
one of my
fall.
cousins they do me.
But she no
And the
rub
time I
it in the
didn't know
ground.
about.
It's only yummy pudding in there?
Yeah, that's white. No, I put two in there.
Oh, okay.
Put your food down. Wait, got me lumping that white.
A little bit. Actually, I like it when both is in there.
Okay.
The flour with a little bit of cornmeal in there.
Yeah.
That's how you like it?
You know, so me like it anyway. I pray with a white dumpling.
Mm.
You understand?
Mhm. I eat both.
Yeah. You finish with it now?
Yeah, man. Ooh.
Yeah, this is brown show chicken.
Yes.
In the country, this is how we do it. I'm cooking for you.
Oh, you cooking for me?
Yeah, I'm cooking for you.
All right now.
Nice brown show chicken. Further on, I'm gonna put some onion, carrot, and beat a little scallion and thyme in it. Okay?
All right,
Yeah.
cook.
I'm cooking for you.
I see, right?
Don't laugh in Don't laugh in.
Yeah. I'm out here getting cooked for.
Yeah. I'm cooking for her. I like this girl.
All right then.
And she like me too.
Guys, it is nighttime. And I'm hungry.
She's hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry.
And
Ready
I'm
to
not
eat.
gonna make you die for food.
You hear that?
I'm not gonna make you die for food. As long as I'm here,
She,
I ain't hungry.
all right, you hear that?
Yeah, I'm cooking for her.
Yeah. Good morning. So guys, look at the view. Yes, what I wake up to. Yeah, so today is the funeral. So I have my key. This is my uncle. So we're going to say farewell. So you see all that chatter in the background, but disregard my family trying to get to the church. But yes, sad day, but also day to celebrate this life. So yeah, guys. Catch you later. I most likely will not record any of this. I'm only gonna record probably the after when we're eating, but I'm gonna just bond with my family.
They're coming back, you know.